Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have for s to the power of 3 ds. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have for s to the power of 3. This one we have 2s to the power of 3. To get number 2, we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 gone here, and we have u equals to negative 16. When s equals to number 1, so I will put number 1 gone here, and we have u equals to negative 15. And this one we change by negative 16. This one we change by negative 15. This one we change by u. 2s to the power of 3 ds, we change by du over number 2. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over u, and we put the bounds from negative 16 to negative 15. And now we have the final answer. We put negative 15 in here and negative 16 in here. We calculate this one and we have the final answer. And we have 1 over 480. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.